And now I would like to introduce Mix, which is an embodiment of our exploration. About 3 years ago, we introduced our first generation of a full-screen cell phone. Cell phone is going to look like in the future. And now we are going to release we are going to release Mix Alpha, our second concept cell phone. And when we were doing promotion on Weibo, we put up a picture. It looks like this. Do you know what it feels like to light it up? Okay. Here's what it looks like from the front. And now, once again, let's light it up. A lot of the internet users have tapped into their ingenuity and come with some very interesting renderings. And here it is what it looks like in reality, what the cell phone looks like in the future. So when we place the three sides together and when we light it up, it looks like this. Magnificent, isn't it? If we have to calculate the screen to body ratio, then it is as high as 180% surround display. To view the features of this surround display, so let's take a look. And this cell phone model feels like a door to the future in a dark world. It feels like a spacecraft that is to set its course into the space, but now it's parked in the dark valley. It looks like a magical cube that captures the wonders of the universe.
Yourself taking your own path. You choose this path, not because it will lead somewhere, but for the feeling of excitement, uncertainty, exploration. Challenge the impossible to make the future possible. Introducing Mi Mix Alpha Surround Display 5G Concept Smartphone, delivering a true bezel-less experience with its 4D surrounding curved display. Explore the future without limits. Mi Mix Alpha Surround Display 5G Concept Smartphone.
Okay, let me unlock it. It's back on the side. Astonishing, isn't it? Amazing. And a whole screen wrapping around the entire cell phone. We believe this is the future of cell phone. What cell phone looks like in the future. I'll turn to this side if you want to take any photos. A new technology that is called this in-display sound system. And also the bottom bezel is 2.15 millimeter. It is almost invisible. We put all the antennas on this side. All the buttons are shown on the display, and also there are pressure sensitive displays on the two sides. And we put buttons on the two sides. It provides a very good haptic experience. And how about front camera? And this time the surround display solve this issue this way. Do we use the in-display camera or pop-up camera? Which way? To be honest, if you know surround display very well, actually you will not ask this question. You can just turn it over or turn it around. You can use the camera on the back as a front camera. So we do not need front camera at all. Let's look at the notification message. The whole side is lightened up, and also when it is charged, it looks like this. Fascinating, isn't it? Because it is all display, and also when you play games, you can't imagine how impressive it is. And also when you are reading, you have content on the front, and information and reminders on the two sides. And also when you turn the display around, the back side will turn into a display. And also on the back, the applications we usually use. For instance, when you want to find a taxi or you want to take the high-speed train, you can find all these services on the back. And we have a video showing what kind of experience you can get. And also, how do you prevent touching by mistake? As you have displays on all sides, how do you prevent this issue? We have spent most of the time on this. Currently, the solution we have adopted is to combine multi-sensors with AI algorithm to find out at what moment you need to touch the display. Today, we launched this concept model with 108 MP camera. That means the resolution is 12,032 by 9,024. So let's have a comparison of the image taken by different, and compared to the flagship smartphones of other mobile phone makers, it is thousands times bigger. So how does the 108 MP model look like? It is 4 times larger in size. So how to incorporate in the smartphone? That will be a challenge for the stacking. An image of a model, we'll enlarge it twice and 4 times, 8 times. If you look at, you can see every single piece of the eyelash of the model.
Truly beautiful. So as you can see, the photographer of ours, it comes with a 108 MP high resolution camera, but apart from that, it also comes with a 20 MP wide angle camera with also great attention to details, because when you zoom in, it can capture the details in 1.5 centimeter. And apart from that, there is also a third camera which is specifically designed for taking pictures of people. It's 12 MP, but of course it pales compared to the 108 MP high resolution camera materials, because we want to make it very good. So we first tried out titanium alloy. The frame this time around, we used a titanium brake both on the upper and the lower side of the edge. Titanium was first used for the aerospace industry because it's very strong and also very light. It's when it comes to weight to strength ratio, it's 3 times compared to stainless steel, making it both light and strong. And on the back of this device, we also use the precision ceramic, which comes in black. So the bar you can see there, it's made of a black precision ceramic, and also because we will have to put in there 3 cameras, we will have to put a protective layer on top of it. It is made of sapphire glass. We strived to develop a mixed alpha. We used a lot of materials that are very, very expensive. I am talking about titanium alloy, I'm talking about the precision ceramic, and also sapphire glass. But when it comes to its configuration, I'm not even going into details because this is truly the state of the art. Do you want me to elaborate? I don't think I want to do that. So let's take a look at this video. Just now, I checked my WeChat, and I received a lot of congratulations from my friends. Well, thank you all very much for your recognition. It was almost 20 million, but now we believe this is a fair price for a small-scale production. This is mainly for the hardcore fans. So such is the 5G. The 5G concept cell phone with a surround display and achieved dozens of technological breakthroughs. And now
മറ്റൊരു ഫോണിൻ്റെ വിശേഷങ്ങളുമായി എത്തുന്നതുവരെ എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം.